Hello friends, in this video let us look into what are the offerings of IaaS, Paas and Saas from Azure Cloud, and let us see what are the products which are offered in these offerings. The main services in IaaS, it would be compute, storage, networking and security. In any cloud, you will see these are the main categories for IaaS solutions. Let us see what are the Paas offerings from Azure. In Paas, or platform as a service category, there are multiple services which are offered by Azure like CDN, load balancer, web app, Azure functions, search, and many more services. These are platform as a service category. So let us go into the portal and see what are the products which we can see in the portal itself. For platform as a service, SQL database, Cosmos DB, Azure web app, functions, search, all these are all available in the portal. Apart from these, as I told, CDN, functions, search and other products are also available as platform as a service. For software as a service category, Azure offers Office 365 as software as a service, which includes mail and SharePoint. These are all collaboration services. For the complete listing of services, you can visit this particular website, azurcharts.com, and you can select the IaaS, Paas or software as a service and see what are the services which are offered by Azure Cloud. So for IaaS, you can see the compute, and in compute there are virtual machines, virtual desktop, dedicated host and Azure VMware solutions, container solutions. In networking, firewall, express route, load balancer, network watcher, private link, traffic manager. These are all the IaaS services. And storage, Azure Storage, HPC cache and managed disks. These are some of the infrastructure as a service. If you go to platform as a service, there are multiple services which are offered by Azure Cloud, and these are offered as a platform as a service. Basically, it is a managed service, and if you select software as a service, there are multiple services which are offered as software as a service, which includes Power BI, data catalog, Defender for Cloud, Azure Advisor, and many more services like Internet Analyzer, etc., or software as a service. Even site recovery is also software as a service. If you are coming to this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe. Thank you and take care.